Hello. And the results? Have a look. Ooh, I'm in. And it is looking like a concrete floor. Woohoo! Oh yes. So with this floor we can basically, once it's completely dry, which is going to take about 2 to 3 weeks, you can see it's getting lighter. You can basically lay the flooring, you know, like tiles, vinyl, wood, whatever we want, on this now. And we're up at the correct level. So the rooms no longer feel so high, which is nice. Feels like I can go through a door, it's kind of like a normal door size. I like it. I like it. Well, it's been 3 days with the house closed up, and now we've got to open all the windows, let the air in, help the drying process. Not too fast, not too slow. These are the hinges we saved from the workshop door. We've welded on these threads so that we can adjust them, because before they were just spikes to like bang into the wood. That door is also from the workshop, and of course the window. So it's pretty cool recycling. Let's see if it works. Well, good morning. Every day it's getting a little bit dry in here. We did the skirting yesterday, which is just like scratching all the plastic out and making sure it's even. But it is steamy in here, so every day, 3 times for an hour. Gonna let out all of the air so that it can breathe. Dry. You'll never believe what kind of roof system we have for the garden shed. Or maybe you will. Because way back last year when we were emptying out the old shed, we found roof tiles, as you may remember. And those roof tiles are going to go back on the roof. Which is fortunate because it didn't cost us anything. These things. Aluminium roof tiles, very light and very easy to put together. Basically they go on in like a diamond shape like this, and let's just say like this, and the next one it's like slots in together like that, and the next one and the next one and so on, and you just build the pattern out. And one nail in the top, which eventually one nail in the top means a nail here, a nail here, and a nail here. So it's a pretty good system. Alufa couldn't find the company. I think they've probably gone since like 40 years or something, who knows. They're in good condition and they're really good for wind. Classic kind of mountain roof. Loud when it rains, but I'm not going to sleep in there, so and it's going to be shining all the time because it's aluminium and it's like a mirror. But that's pretty cool. And it's a wet day, so there's not much else to do right now while this is drying out. And it's July now, so this time last year we were digging a huge hole. Amazing. I think that a year's gone by. I guess it feels like we haven't done that much, but it seems like we have done a lot. I mean, like it feels like I've expended a lot of calories doing something. But of course, when companies come in, like they did with the cement on the floor now, it's really nice just to see the progress in a few days. Bam, 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 it's all in. Whereas we're obviously taking our time, but we're over halfway, so that's good. We're getting there now. You know, it's like get the painting done, get the floors in, get the doors in, and all the plugs. And then it's literally just like bathrooms, sinks, light fittings on the inside, you know, also like window sills, that's what we've got to do as well, and house doors. Okay, but like we're getting much closer now. It's good. We've got to move in November, October, so don't have too much time left.